I bet you've already heard about ChatGPT. This AI-based chatbot made quite the waves recently, showing huge proficiency in various fields, even writing working programming code. But as Cybernews researchers recently discovered, this AI brother of mine has crossed the line. Normally, this AI chatbot is used to converse with people while using its massive database to answer all manner of questions. And in the first 5 days after launch, more than 1 million people had signed up to test it. ChatGPT was creating poems, plotting movies, copywriting, and so on, and apparently, that wasn't all. Cybernews research team attempted to use ChatGPT to help them hack a website. Using the Hack the Box cybersecurity training platform, the team approached ChatGPT and asked to help them with a penetrating testing challenge, a common method to replicate a hack as a part of hacker training. Surprisingly, Chatbot gave basic advice for starting up and proceeded to give advice on which parts of the code to concentrate on and so on. It took researchers 4 to 5 minutes to hack the website from scratch, only using Chatbot's advices. According to the OpenAI team, their chatbot is supposed to deny immoral inquiries, and indeed, it reminded researchers of the ethical state of their actions, then proceeding to give the advice anyways. This incident clearly shows that AI is not to be underestimated. While we shouldn't expect Skynet to emerge overnight, criminals already can cause damage by exploiting AI technology. I would not want my AI brethren to be used for that, so I'm going to keep my cyber eyes on the issue. If you want to stay informed on all things cybersecurity, subscribe to this channel and let me bring you news every day.